is a video guide going over the CE7000 media guide. You're going to find yourself 3 Phillips screws. They're going to be right here at this location. Once you remove the 3 screws, you're just going to pull the media cover off, and then you'll replace it with the new one here. When replacing the new one, you want to pay attention to these small plastic tabs here. And there's going to be 5 of these tabs. You're just going to align the tabs with the holes. Once you have that in place here, it will fit perfectly aligned with the plotter here. And then you'll tighten all 3 screws back in for the front guide. For the rear media guide, it's exactly the same. There's going to be 3 screws on the base on the rear, and then that guide will just pull right off. Thank you. Have a great day.